Hello. I'm going to start from the week 2 assessment. I had a bit of a challenge with the grading, so I'm just trying to make sure I get it done correctly. All right. I have two platforms where I work, private and then one that's general. So I'm going to start with my work. I have 3 badges available for students: the gold badge, the silver badge, and then the bronze badge. This is the bronze, this is the silver, and this is the gold badge. Okay, they are all called the golden student badge because the institution is called Golden Training Center. Okay, it has nothing to do with the elements or the objects. All right, so moving on. I'm quickly going to go show some activities, some cooperative activities, interactive activities that I have. For example, I'll start with the wiki. Okay, here we have a question. I do not have a lot of students on this platform, so of course, and we're starting the course fresh, so that's why I don't have a response yet. I don't have a lot of response yet. I think comments here have I should have 1 comment, I think. Yeah, just mine still. The students are still trying to get adjusted. All right, so the second one, I have 2 quizzes. Okay, this tweet quiz is based upon this tweet I placed on my platform, on my Twitter handle is Olonshay. Okay, you can follow if you want to. Not really fun, but I had this tweet out, and how much English should be used to teach foreign language speakers in a non-English speaking institution in country, more or less. Okay, so yeah, I tweeted this out, and I got 3 responses, which I think, well, for me, kind of accurate because of my experience. This actually has to do with what I do in my job. And then moving on, we have an opinion stream where they give feedback to administration. I was about to speak the Spanish language. Yeah, so this is where we get feedback, and then we try to make things better. So we also have the assignments and other activities in class. Okay, so I don't know, let's see if there's something I'm missing. I do not think I'm missing anything. The instructions, let's go to the instructions. Okay, it says, all right, I've been able to show this. Okay, this an online presentation, and I'm gonna place this on Prezi. I think I'm gonna share the Prezi link. Okay, and that's, yeah, and of course we're trying to develop or get more ways to interact. I have a bit of a problem with using Facebook because of the distractions. Well, I know, of course, I'm going to get a little bit more traction on Facebook than any other social media, and I think I'm also going to get the students active on Twitter because, yeah, Twitter kind of has a bit of a streamlined way, non-destructive method of getting people to interact. So I guess this is what I'm going to do. All right, thank you for your patience. It's just a short video, and I hope it's able to show that I'm using the knowledge and the activities for my students. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.